Let's see the process plan of a connecting rod. These are the operation takes place in while producing a connecting rod. Step 1, drilling at A1 section. Section A1, operation performed is drilling. The machine tool is used for drilling is a horizontal drilling machine and a cutting tool is drill bit. Then step 2 is spot phasing and chamfering at A2 section. Operation performed is spot phasing and chamfering. The machine tool used is spot phase and chamfering cutter. The cutting tool used is single point cutting. The step 3, roughing and crank pouring at A3 section. Operation performed is roughing and roughing the crank. Operation performed is roughing the crank pour. Machine tool used for this is chamfering and boring bar. The cutting tool is boring bar. Tool holding device is chuck and work holding device is chuck. Step 4, reaming at section E4. Operation performed is reaming. Machine tool used for this multi-tool reamer. Uh, Cutting tool is reaming tool. The uh, mm, tool holding device is chuck. Then work holding device is T-bolts. Step 5 is drilling at section B. Operation performed is drilling and machine tool used for this horizontal drilling machine. Cutting tool is drill bit. Next, step 6 is chamfering at section C5. The operation performed in this place was chamfering. The machine tool used for this was horizontal chamfering machine. The cutting tool is used for this was chamfering tool. Step 7. Step 7 is reaming at section C6. Operation performed in this was reaming. Machine tool used for this was multi-tooth reamer. Cutting tool used for this reaming tool. Step 8 was broaching at section C7. Operation performed in this step was broaching. Machine tool used for this was push broaching machine. Cutting tool is broaching tool. These are the operations takes place in making a cutting rod. Drilling, first one is drilling. The machine used for that was horizontal drilling machine. Drill bit, V block, and drill. Then 8 step 2 is spot phasing and chamfering. Tool machine used for this is spot phasing and chamfering machine. Phasing tool is used for this V block. Step 3 is roughing and crank pouring. For this, the lathe is used. A tool was cutting tool was pouring tool. Uh, Step 4 is reaming. The machine used for this reamer. The tool used cutting tool used for this name is reaming tool. The last step is broaching. The tool name is cutting tool used for this name is broaching tool.